Hi, so this is the video for the Module 2 discussion video assignment thing. Um, let's start with the questions, I guess. I've first started with question 1. How are the domain and range related in a function? The domain is the set of all x values in a function, or the entered values, so to speak. The range then is a set of all y values, or the output for that function. The output depends on the input, the y depends on the x. Number 3, composite functions they're usually functions that are written inside of another function, such as like f of g of x, for instance, and you'd mostly use them if you were trying to calculate a function after doing another function, or like an equation after doing another equation, such as, say, calculating circumference after calculating radius. For number 5, about the folding a graph of f of x equals absolute value of x, I said that it's because both sides of a absolute value of x function are effectively the same, since it's just a V shape, mirrored, and that they're both ends of it are mirrored across the y-axis. Flipping the function is just going to give you the same function again, so that's why you'd say it has y-axis symmetry. If you were to just flip it across, you'd still end up with the same thing, really. For number 6, how an absolute value of a function is a translation of the graph of the parent function, and how you can use the vertex. I said that the vertex of the translated graph can be used in reverse, essentially, to bring the function back to the origin. That way, you can find the original equation prior to the transformation of that function, such as x minus 3 squared minus 4 would be the original function from the origin, right to the right 3 spaces, and what did I say, it was minus 4? If it was minus 4, it was down 4 spaces. I didn't write that down. I was coming up with that off the top of my head. Now for part 2, the open-ended questions. Let's go with, I wrote down 2 here, I don't know why. What are inverse functions used for, and how can you determine if a function has an inverse in the first place? Thank you for listening, if indeed you still are, and have a nice day.